Indrajit Kundu also continues to be with us. Indrajit, would you like to take a question to the TMC MP about finally the arrest of Sheikh Shah Jahan that has happened while we wait for an official statement?
Well, Shantanu, this of course is the question, the most obvious question. Why has it taken 50 days? As you said, Abhishek Banerjee had in fact said that there is some sort of a restraint, and that's the reason why the West Bengal police could not act. But the Calcutta High Court clearly clarified that there is no such restraint. Would you say that the Calcutta High Court misread its own judgment?
All right, very interesting. He's not on our phone line anymore, but he was speaking and saying only Mamata Banerjee has the guts to get the arrest happen at this point, and it was not that he was or that the government was protecting him. It was because finally when the police got an approval, got a nod by the court, that is when they decided to immediately arrest him. And interestingly, TMC says not 55 days absconding, only 3 to 4 days absconding, and of course in turn charging at the Bharatiya Janata Party. Indrajit, stay on with me. Rajesh Saha also joins us. Rajesh, go ahead. Arrested from Sandesh Khali.
Yes, Pooja, Sheikh Shahjahan, the absconding TMC leader Sheikh Shahjahan has finally been arrested by West Bengal police, and that is the confirmed news right now. We got confirmation from our police sources that he has been arrested by West Bengal police after 57 days. You know, the Sheikh Shahjahan, TMC leader, he was on run since last 57 days. Once AD officials got attacked during a raid when they went at his residence at Sandesh Khali to conduct a raid operation. That time ED officials were attacked by the unruly mob. Since that time, Sheikh Shahjahan was on the run, and finally he has been arrested by West Bengal police. And as per the information we are getting from our police sources, that he has been picked up from Shorberia area, which comes under Sandesh Khali block. And finally, he has been taken to Bashirhat Police District lockup with a huge convoy, with huge security protection. And finally, the Sheikh Shahjahan will be produced before court today, and he will be police will seek remand for police custody for further investigation and interrogation. Pooja.
All right, so this is a big day. Indrajit, I come to you because on this big news right now, how do we progress further on this case? As the government has said that that arrest will happen, and that arrest has happened. But also let's remember, these are allegations for now, serious allegations, but these will be claims that will have to be proven in the court. Do you think that Sheikh Shah Jahan has confidence on his side, or perhaps the chain trail is now too strong against him?
Well, look, you know, there was pressure mounting on the West Bengal administration and the police to nab Sheikh Shah Jahan, given the kind of sentiments that exist in Sandesh Khali right now. There is public anger, and the big part of the allegation is against Sheikh Shah Jahan right now and his associates. Now that 3 of his associates, Shibu Sardar, Uttam Sardar, Shibu Hazra and Ajit Maiti have been arrested, the time was literally running out for the West Bengal police and the administration. And remember, Pooja, this comes just a day ahead of the Prime Minister's visit to West Bengal. The Prime Minister will be visiting West Bengal tomorrow. He will be there in the state day after. So he has 2 back-to-back rallies. In a sense, he will be kick-starting his the BJP's campaign in West Bengal. On March 8th, that is next week, he's supposed to do another rally in North 24 Pargana district, the very district where this entire fiasco is happening. And he was also supposed to meet some of the victims from Sandesh Khali. The Trinamool Congress, clearly this is also, you know, there's politics in this decision. So, Trinamool Congress would not like to drag this till such time the Prime Minister comes and makes an issue out of it. And therefore they want to, you know, in a sense, you know, give a finishing touch to it. And therefore it doesn't come as a surprise that Shahjahan Sheikh has been arrested. As Shantanu Shen, the Trinamool spokesperson himself said, within 3 days of the Trinamool Congress leadership, especially Abhishek Banerjee, saying that he will be arrested very soon. So Shahjahan Sheikh now.
And interestingly, one would imagine anywhere else in Bengal, but to be arrested from Sandesh Khali, where all these allegations are emerging. Indrajit, stay on with me. Rajesh Shah continues to be with us. Rajesh, because you also spoke to many of these women and got our exclusive testimonies as well, you tell me, what do you think the mood right now will be in Sandesh Khali when the news, of course, is confirmed and spreads that finally after, well, going by the government estimate 4 days, but going by the ground estimate, more than 50 days, Sheikh Shah Jahan has been taken into custody by the police. This is what they wanted. Rajesh, if you can hear me. Okay, I'll continue to be with Indrajit for now. Indrajit, you tell me on this, because as we understand, yes, this is a lot of politics as well. BJP has charged at TMC. But for these women to have come forth and even speak up, and so many in number, perhaps this is something that must be independently investigated. So these women, and even if there is one victim, must get justice.
Well, absolutely. That's the big deal right now. It is the women of Sandesh Khali who actually began this protest.
Correct.
And they are the ones who came out and started raising these allegations. So it took a lot of courage for these women to come out and speak about the atrocities that they claim and they allege have been happening for several years now. In fact, the High Court has also taken note, because they said that if there were so many allegations of land grab over so many years, how is it that the law enforcement agencies did not take note? It actually rebuked the state, state AG over the same issue. So clearly, given that politically Trinamool Congress had its back on the wall over this issue, and it seems like a politically expedient decision. There's no doubt about the fact that Sheikh Shah Jahan being arrested within 3 days of the Trinamool Congress top brass giving up. Because you remember, it was Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee, none other than the Chief Minister herself, in the floor of the House and of the Assembly. She supported Sheikh Shah Jahan, saying that the ED and the BJP were together trying to target him. From that to the Trinamool Congress top leadership 3 days back, saying that Sheikh Shah Jahan would be arrested.
Does this give TMC 1 point up? But of course, lots more needs to be done. It's just the arrest that's taken place. Very serious allegations. Indrajit, please stay on with me, because it is as much about the incidents, the crime, allegations on the ground, but it is as much about the political showdown. Remember, Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee and also the General Secretary of Trinamool Congress, Abhishek Banerjee, defended the scenario and specifically Sheikh Shah Jahan earlier, even though he was the prime accused of harassment, abuse and exploitation in Sandesh Khali. They had maintained that he's also being deliberately targeted because the BJP wants to go after the TMC. Here's what the reactions had been earlier.
আপনারা জানেন, জীবনে আমি কোনো অন্যায়কে কোনোদিন প্রশ্রয় দিইনি, এবং আমি ইনিশিয়েটিভ নিয়ে স্টেট কমিশন পাঠিয়েছি, আমাদের অ্যাডমিনিস্ট্রেশন পাঠিয়েছি, 17 জনকে অ্যারেস্ট করা হয়েছে। এবং আপনারা দেখেছেন, যারা মুখে মাস্ক পরে পরে ছবি তুলছে, ধরাও পড়েছে বিজেপির কর্মী, কিভাবে তারা বাইরে থেকে নিয়ে এসে একটা এলাকাকে অশান্ত করার চেষ্টা করেছে। আগে টার্গেট শেখ শাহজাহান, ওকে টার্গেট করে ইডি ঢুকলো, তারপরে সবাইকে বার করে দিয়ে তারপরে ওখানে আদিবাসী মাইনরিটিদের মধ্যে ঝগড়া লাগিয়ে দিল।
5ই জানুয়ারি যে ঘটনাটা ঘটেছিল, যেখানে ইডি আধিকারিকদের উপর হামলা চালানো হয়েছিল বলে তারা অভিযোগ করেছিল এবং তারাই এফআইআর করেছিল, ইডির আধিকারিকরা। সেখানে কলকাতা হাইকোর্টের মাননীয় বিচারপতি জয় সেনগুপ্তর বেঞ্চ একটি অর্ডার দেয় যে একটা এসআইটি তৈরি হবে, যেখানে রাজ্য প্রশাসন, রাজ্য পুলিশের একজন কর্তা থাকবে, প্রতিনিধি থাকবে, এবং সিবিআই এর একজন প্রতিনিধি থাকবে, এবং স্পেশাল ইনভেস্টিগেটিং টিম তৈরি হবে এসআইটি, যেটা সন্দেশখালী ঘটনাটা ইনভেস্টিগেট করে যাতে দোষীরা শাস্তি পায় তার সুব্যবস্থা করবে। খুব সম্ভবত 10-12 দিন পরে ইডি অ্যাপিল করে মাননীয় হাইকোর্টের প্রধান বিচারপতির বেঞ্চে অ্যাপিল করে তারা স্টে চায়, এবং ইডির অ্যাপিল অনুযায়ী কলকাতা হাইকোর্টের প্রধান বিচারপতির বেঞ্চ সেই স্টে মঞ্জুর করে। স্টে মানে ইনভেস্টিগেশন হবে না, স্টে মানে কাউকে অ্যারেস্ট করা যাবে না, এটা কে করেছে? মমতা বন্দ্যোপাধ্যায়। এটা করেছে হাইকোর্টের বিচারপতি। হাইকোর্ট যদি বিচার ব্যবস্থা যদি রাজ্য পুলিশ প্রশাসনের হাত পা বেঁধে দেয়, এফআইআর স্থগিত করে দেয়, তাহলে পুলিশ অ্যারেস্ট করবে কোত্থেকে?